how to target your lower abs effectively. 5 game-changing exercises for everyone. Yes, you can target your lower abs more effectively if your goal is to sculpt that defined V shape, strengthen your core, and prevent pesky lower back pain. But here's the kicker. Not all exercises are created equal. Common moves like leg lifts or flutter kicks don't actually engage your lower abs as much as you think. That's because the lower region of the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle, isn't responsible for lifting your legs. Instead, it stabilizes your core while working alongside your upper abs. In today's video, we're diving into 5 exercises that truly target your lower abs. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through proper form, helpful tips, and how to include these in your workout. A must for everyone on YouTube looking to up their fitness game. Before we jump into the workouts, let's bust a common myth. Abs are one unified muscle, so targeting the lower region isn't possible. While abs are indeed a single muscle, recent research proves that you can emphasize specific regions, including your lower abs, by using the right exercises that engage this area effectively. Ready to feel the difference? Let's go! Mountain climbers offer powerful cardio and core activation all in one. Here's how to execute them for maximum impact. Get into a high plank position, hands directly under shoulders. Keep your shoulders higher than your hips and brace your core. Drive one knee toward your chest and return, alternating legs quickly but with control. This move not only targets your lower abs, but also burns calories like crazy, perfect for reducing belly fat while building endurance. Crunches hit your abs hard, but oblique crunches up the ante by targeting your side muscles or obliques. Here's how you do them. Lie on your back with hands behind your head. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Keep that left leg firmly on the floor. Lift your shoulder blade off the floor, crunching diagonally toward your right knee. Oblique crunches are a fantastic addition to your routine, as they tone the sides of your abs for that well-defined, tapered look. Looking for a move that isolates the lower abs even more effectively? Reverse crunches are your ticket. Here's the breakdown. Lie on your back with your knees bent at 90 degrees. Lift your feet off the ground until your thighs are vertical. Exhale as you tuck your knees toward your chest, lifting your hips slightly. This exercise strengthens the entire rectus abdominis while being gentle on your back. Add intensity by holding small weights between your feet to level up. Planking is great, but side planks take core engagement to the next level, especially for your obliques and deeper core muscles. To do a proper side plank, lie on your side and prop yourself up on your forearm, ensuring your elbow is directly under your shoulder. Stack your feet on top of each other and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds and switch sides. Ready for a challenge? Extend your top arm or leg while planking for deeper activation. The dead bug is an underrated yet powerful move that demands full core engagement. Here's how to perfect it. Lie flat on your back with arms extended above you and knees bent over your hips. Lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor in a slow, controlled motion. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Focus on maintaining tension in your core throughout. This is where the magic happens. Add this move for a well-rounded routine that protects your spine and strengthens your abs. Now that you've got the moves, let's talk results. Here are 3 pro tips to maximize your efforts. Consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises 3 to 4 times per week. Full body cardio. Remember, you can't spot reduce fat. Pair targeted A-B moves with overall fat-burning cardio for the best transformation. Progress over speed. slow, controlled movements generate greater muscle engagement. Quality triumphs over quantity every time. And don't forget to follow a balanced diet. Abs are made in the kitchen as much as in the gym, so fueling your body with nutritious foods, staying hydrated, and getting adequate rest play a huge role. Lower ab exercises are just one piece of the puzzle in your fitness journey. While sculpting your core is a terrific goal, don't stop there. A strong, healthy body requires variety and balance in your routine. Whether it's strength training, flexibility work, or adding cardio bursts, consistency and well-rounded workouts are your best tools for seeing phenomenal results. If this video inspired you to level up your fitness game, don't stop now. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of wellness enthusiasts. Like this video, share it with friends, and comment your journey below. Which of these exercises was your favorite? Are there other fitness topics you'd love to explore with me? Let me know. I'm here to help. Stay strong, stay healthy, and as always, keep working toward the best version of yourself. See you in the next video, where we'll discuss more transformative workout tips. Until then, don't forget, you are capable of incredible things. Let's crush those fitness goals together.